All right. Step number 2, cleaning out this gas tank. There was a little rust in there. A lot of it's just carbon, I believe. I looked on the inside or the back side underneath where the plate is. See if I can get y'all to see that, where the plate is. When you look at it from that side, from the inside, it was a little rusty, but to me it just looked like a lot of gook and carbon. What I did notice is that a lot of some of the parts, like the zip ties and some of the filter stuff, had broken up inside the tank, and I think that's probably what was causing a lot of clogs too. And it just looks like a lot of residue on the inside of the tank, so I didn't really see rust, just looked more like residue. But I'm going to thoroughly clean it out, and what I've done is I set baking soda first in there, and then I added distilled water and white vinegar first with boiling water. I mixed it up, put it in there, just to do a quick rinse with boiling hot water from the stove, filled it all the way up, and I left the plate on the bottom of the tank. But I loosened the bolts because I want it to come out just like that. I want it to slowly drip out, so that way the actual hot water, the tank is really hot too. That way the water in the solution has enough time to, I keep agitating it too, like swishing it up to break up whatever's on the walls of the tank on the inside, but to slowly let air bubble in to come up and kind of, just give air inside the tank to make the water still move around, so it's just not sitting. So once this is drained, a little bit more. There's already a bunch of stuff floating around in there. Once that's drained a little bit more, I'm gonna boil another pot. But I'm gonna take this stuff out, I'm gonna put more baking soda in, and I'm gonna add the apple cider vinegar and kind of let that explode in there a little bit and get all over the walls. And probably add just a little bit of power wash to it, some dish soap, and then I bought some some parts cleaner, and I throw a little bit in there and that, and just kind of just let it sit a little bit again to get most of that crap up, and get this thing cleaned out. And once it's done, I'm going to take the plate off. I'm going to see what I can put in there to try to kind of clean what I can. Just try to clean up as best as possible so I don't have to buy a new tank. If it was worse than that, I would definitely just get a new tank, which I was thinking that I was going to have to do, but I don't. So I think it's going to be good. Probably going to do this maybe 3 or 4 times today. And then just maybe, probably like the 4th time, I'll just do it with boiling water. And then once that's done, I'm gonna get the water hose. I don't have the compression. Get the water hose and just give it a really good spray out. And then just kind of let it dry for the next couple days until I can get the parts. But anyway, that's about it.